introduction. Okay, this is Tim from John Boat Fishing Adventures. I'm your host, and today I'm out with my brother on the Kankakee River. It's just after sunup, and we're going to launch. We're going to try to get some smallie and walleye action going, so we got to get going. Kind of crazy trying to. You gonna be able to push off? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's cold. Needed to choke on it a little longer. .5 feet of water. Should I use a Berkeley flicker minnow? Alright, I gotta check the time, because this battery on my movie only lasts like 3 hours. Yeah, that's the other thing too. It's 3 hours on that camera, 1 hour on the other one.
I got like 8 hours.
Alright, 7 o'clock it is.
Of course, I got a bunch of batteries.
Are you ready to go? Yeah? So here we go. We're gonna go to a area we call the Riffles. Usually there's smallies feeding early morning. Now we're right on top of the Riffles.
Yeah, we are.
I don't think these fish are up there though.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's just. I'm turning the motor off. Let's just drift. And we haven't caught anything yet, so you never know. We might stumble onto something just by drifting. Fan casting and drifting. What did I get?
I'm gonna go to a floater and just.
What is this? I got a rock. I literally got a rock.
Charlie Brown. See
Yeah.
this? My new tackle box. I got the one with the same type of box, but the one with the pull-up compartments.
It's real shallow, right?
I like the husky jerks because you can twitch them and stop. And a lot of times, you know, they'll follow the lure and they won't really hit it until you stop it. I mean, it happens a lot.
What's the depth?
3.5.
Yeah, look, we're right by it.
See, I got this big husky jerk, and then I'm gonna put a like a rebel crayfish on this one. The water's pretty clear. I'll use a natural color. Or got my new tackle box with the drawers.
What's the depth be?
2.4.
Where they usually were, normal water level days.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, there's a fish jump. By the weed bed over there.
Where?
Over there. Straight ahead.
Oh, way over there?
Yeah. Well, let's go over there. What the hell? If a fish jump, we know there's fish.
Ooh, I hit a hit. I hit a
Really?
hit right here on a spinnerbait. Stay here.
All right. I'm not moving.
And I didn't even get him on a stinger hook. Got one. I got him. He's got pretty good size. Look at him. Ooh, little tail walking smallmouth. There he goes. He's jumping. Oh, he's a little guy.
What happened to the handle?
What handle?
It's not long. It used to be a lot longer.
No, it wasn't. It's, what do you think? I sawed off your handle?
No, I don't know.
I got him. Oh, look at that. Nice little smallie on a spinnerbait.
Yeah, so this is funny. They're just.
I think this is the KVD.
All right, so that just tells you something. If they're hitting on a spinnerbait.
Yeah. With my carbon light. I love these carbon lights, man. Holy cow.
Too bad the camera crapped out. Well, you got your
11 ounce. Nice little smallmouth. Bye-bye, baby. All right, so they're out in this deeper calm area. They're not up in Riffles.
I gotta switch camera.
This is just, I think this is a KVD. Yeah. Because it's got the free hanging trailer hook. Little chartreuse. Chartreuse in white with a silver willow and a gold Colorado tandem.
I gotta switch cameras.
I'm slowly getting used to right-hand retrieve. I'm telling you, I don't want my tendonitis flared up. It's that it kills. Once it's bad,
I had it. I know it.
it's like terrible, man. You know, you pick up a freaking glass of water and it hurts.
Tendonitis is really debilitating. They feel it'll go away.
Yeah, and I got medial and lateral, so I just don't. And when I first caught that 18-pound king, man, the next day I was like, wow, my arm is, you know, that's when I started saying I better just start. I started digging out all the right-hand retrieve bait casters I had, and I was flipping all the handles on my spinning reels. Because, I mean, I could catch, you know, like I could catch little smallmouth and stuff regular, but those salmon, yeah, I know.
Ah. Look at it. It's on the heavier part of the
All right, let's move. What do you say?
Yeah, I'll take one more.
Now we're in 6 foot of water. Let's cast around here just to see.
Still 6 feet?
Yeah, 5 feet.
Wow.
You know, I mean, they might be where we're at.
You know, one area that I remember that I really liked and I thought we did walleye wise was way past that everything. The farthest we ever went, that's where we caught all the walleye. I caught those giant ones, those 2 big ones back there, and then
Got a fish. Got a walleye on a freaking crankbait.
Awesome. Really, in this shallow water?
Look at this.
Yeah, that's a
Told you we
walleye.
should check this out.
All right.
I got a walleye on a crankbait.
Let me see him.
Hang on, let me grab him.
Oh, you gilt him.
Yeah, he went for it. And
Yeah, exactly.
look at my rod's going over the side.
Hey, there you go, just like me then. And I didn't even lose mine, and I didn't even nothing on the fish.
He's not over 16 inches though.
No. So that means it's scattered everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Let's turn around.
Hold on.
Where there's one walleye.
I didn't even have my camera running.
Where there's one, well, I got this one running. So that's still be. Hold it.
Got a little walleye. Little guy. I caught him on a fat crankbait too, which is really not what you normally catch him on. Little walleye, look at them teeth.
It's a little walleye's teeth. Look at that.
All right, bye-bye.
Little walleye, huh?
Walleye!
You crank it fast or slow?
No, I'm using them Model A bomber, just
Wow.
going dink, 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 dink along the bottom, ticking the rocks on the bottom. Bam. He went after it. What did I do with my sunglasses on?
Huh?
I'm just ticking it through the grass. Got him.
The bigger one?
Yeah. Nah, he's not that big, but he's a fighter. You don't want to come in. Yeah, he's a nice one. Yeah, he's a couple pounds.
Whoa, I'm almost falling out of the boat. Grab him quick, man. I'm losing my balance.
I got the net.
Alright.
Now it's all in my freaking.
I should have kept more of those other trailers, man. I kind of got to cut the damn thing.
All right, we got a smallie on a spinnerbait. Ticking the grass. Ooh, God darn it, fish. That's what happens when you bring them in. Like that salmon I fought for 10 minutes, that thing was literally dead tired when I brought him in a boat. Because that first one I brought in too quickly, yeah, this is about a 2-pounder, right? Yeah. All right, he's going bye-bye. Now I gotta untangle all this stuff. All right, so we're on to something now. So look at, we got smallies in these pockets in the grass. That's pretty good. We really never fished this before.
No. Oh, you learn something new.
Yeah, well, different conditions. Rivers rise and fall, and you got to adjust, you know? I got grass on this thing. I love these KVD spinnerbaits, but man, I don't like paying $8.99 for them. I'll tell you that much. Yeah, we'll catch smallies in this grass for a while, and then, like I said, we'll check this 5-6 foot area, these flats. We can just drag some jigs around there's probably more walleyes in there. So we'll get smallies and walleye. I wouldn't mind just taking one walleye to have for dinner. Nice one.
Yeah, thank God.
Tail walking smallie.
Well, the stinger hooked right away.
See? Did you get him on it?
No, I actually got him.
Yeah.
Hook. He's gonna get me with the stinger hook.
All right, so we're on to something. We got it. Look at these smallies are all in these grass beds out here. Chilling. Here, hold it up so I can get you on my video. As soon as you get them out of there. I like that little net holder. I didn't know if it was going to be getting in the way of casting, but apparently it's not doing too bad. I'm glad I stopped here because we're so used to going from our
little guy.
yeah, going from our our normal spots that we're not really taking the time to try different things. You know what I mean?
You don't come here enough to.
I know, I know,
You
I know that.
You gotta, you gotta catch them. Yeah, I know. You drifted fast. Far.
Yeah. This is actually a great spot right in here for this water level.
Well, it's the hump.
Yeah.
With the weeds.
Right. And then we have this little like 5-foot flat area. This is like the really good area for this water level.
It's amazing though. We're using spinner.
Well, let's go back over by the grass. I like fishing spinnerbaits. I'll do that all day long if we're catching fish.
I'm using this little 3/8 ounce.
We got the Strike King KBD.
I don't know what this is. Wow, we drifted far.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe it was.
Well, now we got the current and the wind. We got that east wind that's blowing, right? So we got the current and the wind blowing us.
Yeah, so you got almost the same as me. I don't even have any kind of a skirt. I mean, I should say a trailer.
Well, no, because look, that's another thing about these KVDs. They give you that extra long little tail there. So I really haven't been putting. Usually I put a grub on mine. Like I used to always use power grubs because I figured it gives it a little scent even. But these KVDs.
Well, I just caught one, so I'm not gonna even bother.
You know what? I'm not. See, in the spinnerbaits, this is the best bait to use in this stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, because it's got that one hook turning facing up, and it can glide over top of the
Look at this.
over top of
Look.
the weeds. Yeah, I know.
This is where they
That's
were.
where those pockets. See,
That's where they were.
here. Down there you get these little pockets. Oh, I better bring my bait in. You get these the grass, and then you get the grass clumps. Hey, you know what? What if I take my sunglasses off and film through my Polaroids? Well, you could see it without the Polaroids. And these smallmouth will tuck behind these grass clumps, and you run a bait over top, and they pound it. So that's what we're doing right here. Yeah, right. And that's it. And they're in an ambush position too. You know, if something mills by, boom, they just come out and nail it. Scattered wheat clumps with a smallie right behind.
Just in the drift,
Makes you wanna throw a spinner bait. While you drink your beer.
No, you wouldn't do that because you couldn't drink the beer.
Yeah, I know.
While you throw your bobber.
You'd have to fill up one of those camelbacks, you know.
If you're gonna finish it, if you're drinking, you gotta still finish it.
Yeah, I guess. I don't like drinking when I fish. I never do.
That's the only way to go, man.
No, yeah, forget it.
Well,
Oh, I got one.
on what?
On a shad wrap. I just changed it to shad wrap and I got him. If I lose power with big west winds, my braid, it's my braid.
Oh.
If you lose power with west winds, give me the net.
I was gonna shut the motor off. He's a nice one. He's a real nice one.
I just water skied him right in.
Well,
Yeah.
You're using braid, you shouldn't worry too much. I got no camera, so you know.
Oh, I got mine running.
I can't believe I forgot to do take the videos off. That's got to be what it is. Just,
Oh, you want an SD card? I got an extra one.
I don't want to mess with it now. You got it running anyway. Well, he's a cool looking one too.
Yeah.
Like so
That was on that those crayfish pattern shad wraps. I just tied it on too. I just figured, you know, why not? Shad wraps are good for these, this kind of fish in here. I gotta get the hooks out of this guy.
This thing is, you gotta get one of these.
I got it.
Look.
Yeah, I got one. It's in there. All right. Nah, just a tiny bit, right? Yeah, because I just hooked them a little bit. Nice smallie. And I just had turned my body cam back on. Yeah, he was a couple, pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds.
It's a drain, and you know that.
Yeah, right.
You know, when you're on your bike, or you know, people use these things for all kinds of stuff. They're not looking. They just filming. You know, so they, you know, it's not like the old days filming a.
Where are you going? Oh, I got him. Oh, right next to the boat. What is this? Look at this black smallie.
Oh, that would be perfect for the pond.
Oh my God! Throw them in the life well. No, we can't.
No, you can't. You can't take them.
Yeah, this is like. Oh wait, you can take a fish under 10 inches.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
You think we can get him home? He's kind of big for a tank. Because keeping him in the winter, we got to throw him back.
Yeah.
I don't want to torture that poor guy. He's better off living here. We'll catch him later on when he's.
He hit right as I was pulling it out of the water. Look how dark he is.
I know.
He is cool looking.
Yeah.
Look at that thing green.
I bet you he's at the end of his second year. They're probably eating real
Look
good.
how green he is. Man, it's a beautiful
It
smallmouth.
is a nice looking fish.
Wow. 6.5, right by me, right? Yeah, 6.
You got a tip with anything? What do you got a tip with?
This is power grub.
Oh.
It's a little smallie.
On a jig?
Yeah.
Oh,
jig with
cool.
a power grub.
I'm gonna switch to a jig.
Little baby though, but I told you, you know, they just not hitting. You know, they won't go after these fast moving baits.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm.
Because I was just kind of you know, hopping it along the bottom. It's a little guy. Ooh, giant smallie. I just got like a yellow orange jig head 1/4 ounce and a pumpkin power grub 3-inch. Because I was thinking that if these walleyes are back there, I could get them. But don't forget, the little guys aren't in the best spot. So wherever the best holding spot is, that's where the big guys eat. Fish don't take a big bone. I'm tied directly to the braid now. Smaller the diameter of whatever you're tying to, the better it holds. But Palomars are the best, all around for everything. It's just sometimes it's a pain in the ass tying jigs because you can't put the. I mean, it is, not, you know, it is kind of. Got him. Another little smallie. Now we're like fishing the Kishwaukee.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell? They're catching fish.
Yeah, I know. There's got to be some bigger ones. Like I said, the big ones are in the best holding spots. You know, so the little ones are probably out of the best holding spots. So, man. Get this hook out here. Sorry, little guy. Look at the little cutie. He's a cutie. I got my Jimmy Houston signature rattle trap, or whatever they call it. Cordell cotton trap. Yeah, if you don't have lids, you plug all the holes and you can cover the receiver.
That's right, and that's when the interceptions come.
Got me a fish.
Here, right off the back of it. You got him? What are you doing? Oh.
He's a little guy.
Well, come on, I got the net ready. Let's go. Yeah, he's a little guy.
I think I need a net. On the Jimmy Houston rattle trap.
Yeah, King Hicks. The bears are so loaded. Hicks is a monster in the middle of the line. It's like you can't. When he comes through the line and he's fast, he's a huge, fast guy. And the Cardinals stink. The Bears are going to beat the hell out of them.
Little smallie going back in. See, rattle trap. And look how big this sucker was. It was, look at it.
I'm telling you, it's amazing.
Gas.